Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add email on your WhatsApp account. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get more these types of important video. So let's start the video. I'm going to open my WhatsApp. Now here click on three dot option, then go to settings. After that you will see here a account option, click on it, and here you will see email address, click on it. Then here below click on add email. Okay, now you need to type here your email address, then click on next. Now we will get a 6-digit code on our Gmail account. So let me check my Gmail. Here you can see in my notification bar I have got an email on Gmail account. Click on it. As you can see, WhatsApp sent a code, so you need to copy it. Let's copy it. After that, just get back and open WhatsApp. Now here paste the verification code and then click on verify. Now as you can see, my email is verified and also added in my WhatsApp account. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.